But the river nice because you have to notice you can flood the river here and it's still not go full.
Barbie is a baddie, and I'm a baddie. That's why I'm a baddie blow. Hey Booz, welcome back to my channel. So today, don't forget my contact lens. I want to put in the contacts. You did it?
No, we ain't in there. Let go put off of my hand. Just stick on to my hand.
Oh, sir. Oh, people do them so, yeah. You can't go and go look outside, dog. And go for the something there. The something.
Yeah. Ready?
Oh, shit. Oh, man, put on the contacts, you know. Nope. Look like me, I forgot though, weird. No, the music in the background. Yeah. Yes, guys, so we're in the bus now, going to Mada River. Well, a two bus full of people. Man, I like the bus vibes it all. Yes, guys, so I'm finally get for that. No music. We're gonna go now. Yeah. Could put in the contacts because it never did work. The contacts was not contacting. I feel cute.
Oh.
Hi.
Oh boy. Big up people.
Stopped at a gas station and I got a cheesecake. I got some red hot and some beverages like Malta and beer for my boyfriend and everything. Yeah, in there well cheap, man, I lie. I stopped to take a break. My nose rings up first. The bar. I'll buy a snack as you can see. This is a fish. Outfit check. Yeah, girls, I got this two-piece set from SD Trendy Fashion. And as for my shoe, my slipper, I got it from CB Glam Closet, as well as my bag. This bat suit, as well as the cover up, I bought it from Everything 2 Grand on Instagram. So it's everything and a number 2 grand.
It's very Jamaica. Yeah, we just flying and out.
Boo, channel forget your view. Listen to that intro, yeah. What I make for you. Subscribe and share that easy. Your thoughts on the video you for leaving, so the kid who can see it and read it. New video I got upload weekly. Press like, so the numbers can get high. Till it run past everybody video. For support the channel, that not killer. Hey, a secret.
Can't even get to set up in my video. I have to go voice over. I'm gonna look on the river. So sorry for not communicating directly, as this voiceover had to do because a lot of music from Morning Beer Music, and I don't want copyright. so I did not talk. But yes, we enjoyed ourselves. Of course, your girl cannot swim, so she had to stay at the front and could come over here so it's more deeper and longer, because I don't know how I would get back. So, but that's a look still if you see up. But it's a waterfall, the eye. Mind you dropping a side, come with a ball. What if I got my name? Something like that. What is that? It's vape. It's vape. Vape. Yeah. Vape that has in peppermint essence. Banana sense. X6. Oh my. So she walked. She said she walked. I can't climb on your tongue. Go up there.
Go through this.
I can't go through this. You must want to drop.
Okay. Alright, waterfall that.
Yeah. Let me show the guys the waterfall. I'll try to get a view of it. Mine are dropping a bit with a ball. Hold on a bit. Guys, we are going to bend. PPR, I just want to go. Not even see it, but it's not a much, it's not really a fall. I thought it was like a big old, something like that, basically. Up there from the end of it or whatever. What should say far? That mean should go farther?
No, like the water.
Oh, true, it is far in the
Far
water.
in the water.
Because remember I said when we reach up, when I reach yesterday yet?
Reach what?
True.
We never reach
I think we reach way up so. True, because we're not hear the music now, so I really far.
In the water. But the river is nice because if you notice, you can flood the river here and it's still not go full.
Yeah. True. People, not people now. Yes guys, enjoy yourself, we so leave. Let me show them my second outfit, which you're gonna see on Instagram by the way. Yes, a Barbie. A Barbie is a baddie. And I'm a baddie. That's why I'm a baddie blow. And there I thought going down the hill was bad. Going up the hill is death. Oh my god. Shit. I'm tired. So tired.